Just digging out. Oh, there's Zoe. Zoe's coming over to help. She just went for a walk, chasing the deer in the back there. All kinds of deer in the back. She loves to chase them. A couple Sea-Doos here. 93 GTSs, I think they are. Got ripped off pretty bad on Kijiji on these machines here. Started rebuilding the trailer, put a brand new axle on there, new tires, new lights, new springs and all that kind of stuff. But this winter I want to get this trailer dialed in. I want to get these two Sea-Doos running nice. They're in rough shape, really bad shape. I've already kind of started taking the engine out of this one over here, but yeah, they've been spray painted, and I don't know, man. The guy that I bought these from was kind of didn't seem like a very smart guy, but and he ripped me off pretty bad. Told me they were both running, but neither of them ran. One of them almost fell off the trailer on the way home because the bunks were all rotted out. And never told me that. He never told me that the axle was bent. So I blew a tire also on the way home. Some really bad people out there on Kijiji. Some really great people. I've met some really great people off Kijiji, but for every 10 good ones, there's one really bad one. This happened to be that. But I'm not giving up. These two jet skis are going to run. And I'm a 90s kid. And I like my 90s jet skis. I'm not interested in any of this new stuff. So I'm going to get the snow cleared off here. Get my van, hopefully tow this trailer out, and hopefully get one of these into the garage today. So yeah, it's always helping out. It's always raring to get these things on the water. Hey. She's excited. Hey Zoe, you gonna help me fix these? She loves being outside, eh? Zoe. Oh, it's her deer. It's her deer. Where are they? Down there. Look. Where are they? Did you see him? Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Make a video talking about this girl. 1972, 6.2 GMC Vandura. Pulled that trailer out pretty good. Look at that. One step closer. Used a car jack to jack up that trailer, loosen it up. Just gotta clear out all this snow here. We'll be almost to the jet skis there. Just chew up all that snow with the snowblower. Get it all out of the way. Pull these old girls out. See if we can get them in the garage. Pulling this trailer right out of the snow. I dug her out there. But, she's back there. There she goes here. Anyways, I don't know why I'm filming that, but right after a few hours of work here, finally got these old girls out of the snow. Wasn't easy. And we're gonna put the they're both GTSs, I think, 1993. But I've already started working on the red one. The red one's just spray painted red, unfortunately. I'm gonna untie it. I'm gonna just push it in the garage, put it up on some logs there, and we'll let all the snow melt off her and get into her. That'll be the part 1 video, just getting it in the garage, I guess. But as you can see, I have actually started tearing into it. Take the engine out of it. Got all the some of the engine pieces here. Just cleaning all these up, saving all the parts. I'm gonna take the engine out of that, the red one, rebuild the pump, and hopefully do something with the hull. It looks hideous, and get it all back together, get it running for the summer. Nice. Yeah. Alrighty. Took a long time to get this old girl in the garage here. Just finally all loaded up here. So I'm really happy with that. It was quite the struggle to dig her out of the snow, but yeah, pretty happy. I don't have a Sea-Doo dolly. Well, I've got to make one, but anyways, so first, in part 2 of this video series, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the jet pump off this, because I've already got the nozzle off, but the part right there is actually sealed onto the hull with like a the same stuff they use to stick windshields to cars, so it's on there. Really later models weren't put together like that, but these 93s were sealed with that RTV stuff. So there's a special sort of tool that you have to manufacture, sort of fabricate, to get that off, and I'll do that in the part 2 video. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in part 2.